Hey, what's going on? This is MinisterGold. This is a mix it up tutorial on how to add more hype to your hype train. Before I get into that, I am a variety streamer on Twitch. I play Kaizo, Mario sometimes, but right now, lately, I've been playing Blasphemous 2, and I'll be starting up Armored Core 6 after that. If you want to hang out, if you want to talk about mix it up or the games I'm playing, yeah, follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/MinisterGold. Okay, so on Twitch, you have what's called a hype train. If you don't know what that is, after a certain number of users, I think it's three, I think it's 3 or 4 users have gifted you bits or subs. I'm not sure about the exact amount. I think it's 500 bits and like a gift sub or something. I can't remember exactly. Somebody correct me on that because I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. You get a hype train, and with a hype train, you see like animations above your chat, saying like, "Hey, you can get a hype train," and everyone gets excited about that. So that's really cool. I don't know if there are any bonuses to hype trains, but well, except for the emotes you can get if you don't already have them. So yeah, that's cool. But whenever I've seen a hype train, I never see anything on the screen, any indication on the screen. And with Mix It Up, you can do that. And so for my case, when a hype train starts, you see this.
Red alert. Red alert. Hype train approaching.
So I think that's cool. You see something big on the screen, you hear Brian saying, hey, there's a hype train coming. So I think that's more and better than just seeing it in chat. And so I think that's cool. Now, let me show you how to do that. So I'll start from the beginning, usually start up in chat. I click on the top left corner on the menu, go to events, go to Twitch. Then third from the bottom, as of right now, is the Twitch channel Hype Train started. And you can take advantage of Hype Train level up and Hype Train ended. I haven't. I'd like to, but it's not just that. It's not the top of my to-do list at the moment. So I'll click on, if you haven't filled this in yet, it'll just say add a command. So click on that. And it's really simple, actually. I just have 3 things in here. So I have a video, which is the warning, and I have it set to 1920 by 1080, center of the screen, so that it fills up the entire screen. I'm using my black overlay video. It has a chroma key, which takes out the black background. So then all you see is this. Okay. Set to 5.5 seconds because the video runs for 5 seconds. So you give an extra half a second just so it doesn't cut off anything at the end. Then I have, there's another overlay. So there's an overlay action, and this is an overlay action, but instead this is an image. And this is actually a PNG that I got. I went to a website and I looked for a font. So let me give you an example. So you could actually go to like text generator. You can type in text generator. Okay, so here's fancy text. Not that one. Let's try cool text. Okay, so this is an example. Yeah, you click on one of these. We'll say, I don't know. Let's click on this one. Okay, so we got this hype train approaching. Yeah, so just play with the sizes, see what works for you. Click on create logo. You can right click, save image as, put it where you want, and yeah, that's how you can get some cool text as opposed to just like, like Times New Roman or something. You could also download fonts and Mix It Up can read those, but that's something for another time. Yeah, just remember this site, cooltext.com. That's an example of a site you can go to. There's probably other sites like it to get like well, cool looking text. And that's basically the kind of site that I went to get that, to get this thing. I just wanted something that was kind of close to the kind of text I was using for the warning for the video. And yeah, just set up your position, your duration, whether you want animations on it or not. I played with the width to see what I wanted for that and the heights. And then Brian. Brian you can get from the community store. So click on the top left corner here, go to community commands, just type in Brian. Okay, and there's Brian. So yeah, you can just download that and save that as command. Okay, and then yeah, this is a command action. Okay, then run command, pick the relevant category. For me, it's just called chat. Might be different for you. Select your Brian command, which I've already selected. And then, yeah, just red alert, hype train approaching is what I put. You can put something else if you want.
Red alert, hype train approaching.
And yeah, that is the whole hype train, or the whole hype train alert that I have on screen.
Red alert, hype train approaching.
And yeah, that's an example of how you can give your hype train more hype. And yeah, whether you do this depends on what you have in your backlog. It might not be the most important thing. You might just do it because it's fun, but it's definitely better than just having it in chat, I think. So yeah, I hope you found that useful. If you have any suggestions as to what you'd like to see me cover for a mix-up tutorial, sorry, I talked too fast. For a mix-it-up tutorial, let me know. And if you like the video, please subscribe if you want to see more mix-it-up tutorials or any Let's Plays that I upload. And also see me on Twitch if you want to. And thank you for your time. All right, adios.